Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Alright, so we're just gonna get right into it. Don't want to waste any time. So you clicked on this video to figure out what CPM is, how to get it higher, what it just what it is in general. Alright, what CPM is, okay? So what CPM is clicks per milli. That's what it stands for, but what it really means is how much you get paid per 1,000 views, okay? At least that's what I go off of, because that's what it means to me, okay? So on a bunch of YouTube apps, all right, like YouTube, let's just use Social Blade, okay, off of Social Blade, which is I don't think they're partnered with YouTube, but they give you YouTube stats, they give you estimated revenue, all this kind of stuff, right? What they say is that CPM can be anywhere from 25 cents to $4.25, okay? That's very wrong, okay? I didn't think that that was true. Well, I thought that was true until I got monetized a week ago, and my CPM right now is chilling at $7.20. Okay, now it does take a few months to level out, so it might go all the way down to 25 cents or $4, but for the time being, it is in the higher range, higher than $4.25, because I thought that the highest money you could make is $4.25, which apparently isn't true. So I feel like I just talked really fast. I feel like I just spoke really fast, but that's okay. So CPM is dependent on what kind of videos you make, how long they are, and what kind of ads can be put on there, okay? So I know that entertainment kind of things are on the lower side of CPM just because not that many people are buying things from them or spending a lot of money from that. I'm not gonna watch an entertainment video, see an ad about a new surfboard or something, and then be like, oh, that's cool, let's buy that. You know, just because I'm watching that video for the entertainment, I'm in the entertainment mood, I wanna watch that video, just that video. I'm not focused on anything else, okay? But now with something like education, finance, schooling, all that kind of stuff, if you're learning anything, if you're teaching something, how to, all that kind of stuff, I'm in the I want to learn something kind of mood. So if I get an ad about learning something or growing something about the video that I'm watching, then I tend to click on that more, and it gets the seller, the advertiser, gets the advertiser more money, which gives me more money. And that is why finance videos, education videos, schooling, how to, that kind of stuff, that kind of bubble gets way more CPM, way up here, than other videos what did I say? Other videos not finance, anything else, I would say. I really don't know anything other than entertainment, just because I've done entertainment, but I've also done education, and I've seen the CPMs on both. I don't know the CPMs on the others. Is my mom home? I can't tell. I don't think so. Okay, but yeah, CPM also determines on how long your videos are. If your videos are longer than 10 minutes, you can put more ads on them. I'm pretty sure they actually changed it to 8 minutes now, 8 minutes and 20 seconds or something like that. But we're just gonna say 10 just because that's what everybody else says. So if your videos are longer than 10 minutes, you can put an ad in the middle of the video. So right now, I don't know if I'll be able to put an ad right there. I don't really know how to do that yet. But yeah, so I could put a video or an ad right now, and then you'd have to watch an ad, and it'd be annoying, and you'd have to skip it. Yes, it's annoying, but it gets the YouTuber and the advertiser more money, which who doesn't like more money? Everybody at the end of the day wants more money, wants more advertising, they want a higher CPM. So how do you get a higher CPM, okay? I really think that this is true, all right? If you want a higher CPM, honestly, just do what you want. Do what makes you happy, do what you have fun doing, do what you like doing, okay? And if you are doing what you like doing, your CPM will go higher. All right? That's just a fact. If you do what you like, okay, and you're making money off of it, your CPM it might not go higher, but it'll go higher. Mentally, not physically, mentally, emotionally, I can't emotionally touch my heart on frame, just emotionally, physically, not physically, mentally, emotionally, it'll go higher because you're doing what you like, you're making money off what you like. Like, I love making finance videos, or education videos. I'm not really talking about finance yet, just because I can't really do that kind of stuff that much, but I do like talking about it. It's super fun. I'm only like, I put my hands up this high, like it's on my face, see? But on the camera, you can only see my fingers. So I gotta go like all the way up here. But, okay, but seriously, how to make a higher CPM, how to get your CPM higher. You have to make longer videos, better thumbnails, more. You need to fill the tag list. Fill that tag list 500 max, or like 496 or 4, like maximum. Fill it to the freaking max with ranked tags, good tags. You can get TubeBuddy for free. TubeBuddy is completely free and it helps you out. You get 3 free tags a video. I think it's useful. I use it. I can't get the premium version because it's more expensive because I'm monetized, but my dad has the more expensive version, and I know the premium version, and I know that it helps him out a ton. My camera's gonna die, so I will have to go get a charger. Okay, this camera is almost dead as well, so I have to charge the battery. But how to get how to get a higher CPM is longer videos, better thumbnails, fill the description up, and use better tags. That is the 4 tips to get a better CPM. Like, it is a proven fact that you get a higher CPM if you have those 4 things. If people click on it more, higher click-through rate, and if you have a higher click-through rate, higher watch time, more likes, that's more comments. Like, the more interaction you have with your audience, the more interaction your audience has with you, is the more money that you get paid by advertisers and by YouTube and by CPM. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If it wasn't, well then that sucks, because I tried my best, and that's all that I do. I just try my best. If it was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, guys. It really does help. Okay, I genuinely don't know where I left off, but I cannot find the charger for the batteries, so I just have to keep on switching them off and filming super duper quick. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, adios guys. Boom.